Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So for this video I decided that I wanted to do something interior based, as some of the bits that you've seen lately are all exterior. And as I look around, a lot of it is pretty much standard, apart from the Ford badge I've got on the steering wheel. So although the interior is quite a nice design, some people like the silver. It's not that I don't like it, but I wanted the interior to look a little bit more like the exterior. So I decided to have a go at doing the air vents. Now everyone does these, they're a great little add-on, quite cheap. You can get the ones from DMB, which stick on over the top. But I've heard that these can melt and peel off. So not only that, I decided to have a go, or thought about painting them, because I wanted to do the flappy bits glossed back as well. I have seen people that do the red, and leave the flappy bits standard colour, which I did think about. But if I'm going to do it, why not go all the way? So I did have a go at doing one of my vents. It's down here somewhere, and it turned out pretty crap. As you can see, there's lines on it and it's just generally not very good. So I decided to enlist the help of rookie mods, and not a problem, as you could do those straight away. While I was doing those, I had a look around inside and wondered what else I could do. Everyone does these, look great, but I wanted to try that something a little bit different, something that you don't see every day. So I gave her sent over my design how I wanted them. She had no problem, and I'll just show you how it's turned out. So these, I forgot to mention, are actually the door handles. A little bit different. So these are the ones that she's come up with. Now originally I was going to do, just to point out, an unboxing of these, because she did send me a video and they look amazing. So unfortunately, there's not going to be an unboxing video because they're already out. So here they are. This is my design. So some people may like, some people may not like, but let me know what you think down the bottom. But to match or to go with the red and black theme, these are the door pulls. So you've got a black handle with a red indented line around them, and that's for each door handle. So yeah, something a little bit different. I know people have been different by painting them, you see them gloss black, matte black, different designs, splattered, but I've never actually seen ones that follow that line pattern. So if you have done that, then let me know. But I wouldn't say it's the first, I'm sure someone's done it, but let me know what you think to those. So so without further ado, let's get installing the vents. Right, to move the vent, all you do is you put two fingers inside and give it a good yank. And there we go, and that's the vent out. These back in, it's the same as taking them out. And there we go. Trying to get my finger in the way. There we go. Probably a good idea as well when you take these out and you can see all the dust in there, just give it a quick wipe. Clean. Yeah, a bit mucky in there. try and reach this one over here. Nope. Just jumped in the passenger seat and there we go. Bit hard to do from the driver's side. Oh, bit of a tight fit that one. And there we go. 4 nice black air vents. And these are much better quality than the ones I did. And I think they look pretty smart, to be fair. Okay, so the next thing is the door handles. As you can see, they're standard silver. Now, to do this, you probably should use a trim tool, but I don't actually have one, so I'm just going to use a screwdriver. So let's just bodge this bit. Yep, I can't do it with one hand, so basically to take it off, it's just this piece that comes off, and there's clips all the way around. So as you can see, I've got the clips off. You've still got the window or electric windows buttons attached. You can take that plug off if you wish, but I'm just going to leave it on and just move these out of the way. There you go, it's out of the way now. So the 2 screws that are holding the handle on are torque bits, and there's 1 screw in there and 1 in there. One screw out and the second one. And second screw. And if the door handle's still in, it might just be because of that little clip that's just there. Just push it back and it should pop out as so, like that. And you can grab your new handle and fitting's the same as taking it off. Just have to pop that into place. That's in there, and screws back in. Not doing much with my knuckles, so you are probably better off taking this off. But I'm nearly done now, so okay, I don't have to be overly tight. There we go. That's the handle in place, and then this plastic cover can then go back on the same way it came off. The door's open. There you go. There we go. Give it a good whack, make sure it's back in place. There we go, button's back in. And there we go. quick wipe over. What do you think? Okay, and there we go, and you just repeat on the other side, and there you are. So that was another quick and easy mod video. So if you want anything painted, get in contact with Rookie Mods. I'll leave a link down below. You know, ask away. You know, if anything custom, anything, you know, anything painting at all. You know, get in contact. I'm sure she'll be you know, happy to answer all your messages. I hope this video has been some use on how to either change door handles or change vents as well. Again, let me know what you think down below, if you like it, if you don't like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.